Welcome to Triple Profit Analytics weekly stock market view dated 11th March. Today we will cover the week starting from 13th to 17th March. Last week, one of our recommendations in Olectra went up more than 20%. As you can see, the Olectra Green Tech getting an order for 550 buses from Telangana State Road Transport Corporation. This order is worth almost 1,000 crores, and we had a recommendation in Olectra on 6th January at 675 level. Then the stock went through a correction period and the stock touched even 475 level. At that level, we gave another recommendation for adding the stock, and last week when the stock rallied above 743 level, our clients are holding the stock with 18% profit now. Olectra was a very good example of making profit when a stock corrects and we add more stocks to that, during that correction period. Let's have a case study of Olectra. If you are investing 1 lakh in Olectra at a 675 level, you will get quantity of 148. Then second again you buy the stock with 50,000. That is a 50% of the earlier capital. That you will be able to buy 105 stocks at 474. Then you will be having 253 quantity at the after the second level buy. Then average rate will come down to 592. During this current the rally, the stock closed on Friday at 704 level. You can see the profit of 28,336. That is 18% profit in Olectra after the last week's rally. All of you know, stock market is driven by greed and fear. We can just have an example of this. You know, we bought Adani Port during the market crash, and we booked nearly 35% of profit in Adani Port. Actually, we recommended the stock at on 6th February as buy below 513. Most of our clients bought the stock at 518 level. You can see the stock making a huge rally within the next 30 days, and stock reached a high of 722. And most of our clients, we had a target of 680, and the stock is still trading above 700. But I had a lot of calls from my clients asking whether to book profit at this level. So many investors were totally confused when the stock reached 518 level, and their fear factor was working. Now they know they are having very good profit of 30-35% profit in just 1 month period, but their greed is working now, and they are waiting for the stock to move further. So in stock market, you should be able to control your greed and fear and enter the stock when almost all other clients are confused, and you have to buy good quantity and sell whenever the stock reach your target. That is another point, very important point. So greed and fear is the most important thing you have to learn to learn to make profit in stock market. So all of you are requested to book profit in Adani Ports at the current level of 700 level, and then enjoy the profit you earned during this crisis. We booked nearly 51% profit in Jindal last week. Jindal was our triple swing delivery recommendation released on 17th of January 2022, and the recommended rate was at 115. Last week the stock made a swing high of 179, and we booked nearly 51% of profit in Jindal. You are now watching the number of stocks in which we booked profit in triple swing delivery recommendation. You can see in HL we booked 17%, JBMA, ITC, Lumax Tech, Sundaram Fasteners, Sesha Paper, Ambuja Cement, Elecon, Tribe Turbine, JK Tire, Mesdog, Grovel, JTK India, Pedamji Paper, Reflex India, ACE, Adani Port. In all these stocks, we booked more than 17% profit during the last few days. This is a model and method in which we book in short term profit from stock market. We have another series of picks called diamond picks, where we book nearly 100% profit over a period of 2 years after investing a good amount. And we give a detailed report also for this Diamond Peak series, and on the basis of a clear study and the knowledge about the company, our clients invest nearly 5 lakhs and above in such stocks and very good amount. And we have this time we have an offer of 16 Diamond Peak 16 and 16A together. Then you can see the list of stocks that outperformed last week. These stocks are Olectra Green Tech went up 35%, Adani Total Gas went up 22%, Adani Transmission went up 22%, Adani Green Energy also went up 22%, Previous Specialty Chemicals went up 18%, Bangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals went up 15%, Swan Energy went up 14%, Jindal Stainless went up 12%, JBM Auto went up 11%, JSW Energy again went up 11%. Then when we look at the 4 institutions cash provisional data, 4 institutions bought for 1,769.7 crores. At the same time, domestic institutions also bought for 1,211.9 crores last week. Let's move to the Nifty's analysis. You're watching now Nifty's last week's trading pattern. On 3rd March, Nifty closed at 17,594. On 6th March, Nifty went up 117 points, and 8th March, Nifty went up 42 points. Then 9th March, Nifty went down 164 points, and on 10th March, Nifty went down 181 points. And last week, Nifty closed with 182 points loss. You are watching now Nifty's monthly chart. You can see Nifty is trading with 108 points again in March 2023. You are watching now Nifty's weekly chart with the major DMAs. 200 DMA is coming at 17,430 for almost at Friday's closing price. Then 100 DMAs at 18,030, 50 DMAs at 17,825, 20 DMAs at 17,664. You are watching now Nifty's daily chart major support resistance levels. Nifty's pivot point is at 17,564. Nifty's resistance level, so you can see is at 17,700, 17,874, 18,176, 18,444 and 18,753. In case Nifty fall below 17,564, supports will be at 17,224, 17,036, 16,994, 16,685, 16,114. You are watching now Nifty's weekly range. Nifty's upper range for next week will be at 18,176, and lower range will be at 17,036 with the 17,564 as the pivot point. Let's move on to the investment strategies for the next week. Our AAA stock of the week is Max Health. The stock closed at 457 last week. I am expecting a target of 500 for the stock Max Health in the coming days. Similarly, when we look at our AAA technical pick, the stock is better food as buy below 562 for a target of 620. So both this Vector Food and Max Health you can consider for short-term investments. Let's have a look at the stocks with the technical breakout for the next week. These stocks are PNB Housing Finance, Torrent Power, Finolex Cables, Triveni Turbine and GAIL. All these stocks we discussed in these videos are for investments. Thank you.